Then I need to get my light. This turns off. All right. There's that panel. Oh, got that one. Then, as you can see, they all have audible silence. By the way, sorry for the weird focusing. This camera that I'm using doesn't have an autofocus that works very well. Alright. As you see, I forgot to do the one thing I'm always supposed to do, and that is turn off Relay 50 so it doesn't set off this fire alarm. I had to call and have them disregard the fire alarm. They were calling my house as I was calling them. But yeah, as you see, smoke conventional, basement wine room. And up here I have a Wheelock NS as well, and it's currently in selective silence. And this is on 110 Candela as well. So, I'm going to go downstairs, make sure the smoke has cleared out from down inside the basement, and I'm going to go turn off Relay 50 and reset from down there. Alright. Alright, that's off. See, here's the Wheelock AS. Can't see it very well. I'm going to try to turn on a light. On the side of it, it says alarm with a label. I scratched off the fire label. God, for 15 Candela, that thing's bright. Alright. This is still flashing as well. Put this resistor right here. Make sure this room is not foggy, or else it's immediately going to go off again. As you see, it's still flashing red. Door open for a second as I get this thing reset and turn it off before it goes back into alarm. As you see, it takes a second to what's it called? Silence after you push the silence button. I like the selective silence because you can keep the strobe flashing even if the horn's not sounding with 2-wire devices. Alright, so I'm gonna reset, and that's it for system test 10. Second floor. And attic smoke and heat detectors. And I say I didn't really know that was a heat detector. Like it has a sensor, like in this, it's a thermistor. I didn't know those were in there for a strange period of time. One other thing I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna test this heat detector down here if I can get this thing working. Oh, there we go. Alright, I'm gonna test this one now. Alright, and thanks everybody for watching. Have a nice day. And you see, it immediately stops blinking.